Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have been watching my flood of videos. Hope you subscribe if you're new. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Yes, I talk a lot with my hands. I'm sorry. But go ahead and subscribe. If you're not sure if you want to subscribe, go ahead and check out my other videos and then subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I'll have them in the description box below. So today's video is going to be kind of like a 2-in-1 video. I'm going to review this product, which I made a short video about. And I'm also going to be, I'm also going to be doing a kind of like a versus video, I guess, with the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel, and I'm going to compare it to regular flaxseed gel with castor oil like mixed in. It's still kind of hot, so it's a little watery, but it's usually that consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna do one half with the black castor, one half with the DIY flaxseed gel. And if you want to know how I made this gel, I did do this one a little bit different, but it's still the same thing. I do have a video that I made about how I make this gel, so I'll go ahead and either put that up in the cards, which should be a little thing to come across the screen, or I'm going to put it down in the description box below. I may do both. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm going to use this all over my head, but I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections. I put on a plastic cap to keep it, damp while I make the gel. But I do have my spray bottle with peppermint oil, just water and peppermint oil, just to keep it nice and damp. So this is my hair without any product. You can see the back is the most curly. But anyway, so I'm divided just straight down the middle, which is what it naturally does. So I'm gonna say this side will be the Eco Styler and this side will be regular. So I'm just going to put this up. So separate the front and then the back. And then I'm going to start off on the back so I won't have to remove my glasses. But as you already know, there will be 2 different consistencies, just because it is Eco Styler and their gels are normally really thick. And then flaxseed oil is more water based, it's more watery. So I'm going to actually put in my leave-in on this entire section. It doesn't smell like honey. It looks like it. It doesn't really have a smell. So I'm just going to start off with a little bit because it's really thick. So I'm going to start off with that much. It's really runny, but it's really thick. So just it really melted in my hair, which is interesting because I'm used to stuff that's been really thick to just lay on top of my hair, but it's really trying to define my curls. So add some more. Yeah. Oh wow. Highly impressed right now. Yeah, I think I put enough. I don't want my hair to be greasy or anything, even though it really doesn't have a greasy feel to it. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle. It doesn't make it easier to detangle though. I wonder if it's going to keep my hair moisturized. Just because for it to be heavy is really lightweight. I think I'm going to add some more to my ends. They feel a little dry. But yeah, it really doesn't feel like there's anything on my hair. And I don't know how I feel about that. So just put a drop on the ends, just to give them a little boost. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking with just the leave-in on there. So I'm going to repeat this all over my head, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the gels on. And then I might do little clips of how they look. Okay, montage time.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave, yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh.
maybe 90% dry, 95 depending on the area. And this is what my hair is looking like. This is the Eco Stylist side, and as you can see, it's really defined. There's not a lot of frizz, and it's shiny. On this side, this is the Flaxseed Gel. It still is very defined, but not as defined. You see there is frizz, but my curls are more elongated and there is still really shine. So, basically, both gels are very good in each and every way. This I get a little bit more elongation, but I already know because my hair isn't all the way dry on the side, it's going to shrink up more because, you know, it has a lot of water in it. It's mostly water. So, yeah, the definition is great. I get more volume on this side. This, I get more of the definition. That's not really a cast, but if I would have caked it on a little bit more, I would have had a cast. This is just all soft. So I still really like both gels. Like, the definition is still there on both sides. It's just whether or not you like volume over the curl definition. And for the most part, I like both, which is why I normally go with the DIY, because I get a little bit of both. I get the really good definition as well as some volume in it, because I don't want to be stuck to my head. And it's easier to pick out on this side than this side, I want to say. So I am going to try to like blend these sides up a little bit. So I don't want people to be like, oh, why is your hair like doing two different things? So yeah, this is the final result. I like how both sides came out. Like, I love both gels. And you know, I don't really do my edges. So let me know what you guys think. I got moving on, but let me know what you guys think. Which gel is your favorite gel? Or if you don't like either one of these gels, what is your favorite gel in general? Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this video. Once again, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh, I forgot one thing. I'm sorry. Let's try that again. This. My final... I don't know. I don't like it. I was hoping I would like it, but I don't like it. I don't like how it made my hair feel when I put it on. Basically, it didn't feel like anything was on my hair, and you can see like how thick this is. Like, it's really thick, but it honestly felt like I was just putting more water on my hair more so than putting a product on it. I do not feel like it hydrated my hair at all. I honestly feel like it kind of sat on my hair. Even like filling my hair, cause even like when I use regular flaxseed gel, like the DIY, my hair feels very moisturized. This feels everything, and you know, this just feels like gel, but it feels the same. I don't feel like my hair has any leave-in on it, and that is a problem for me. Like, I need my hair to be moisturized at all times, and that was not doing it. My hair feels dry. It feels like I just put the gel on top of damp hair with no product or anything like that, even though you saw I put ample amount of product on my head, and it really didn't feel like anything. I couldn't detangle with it. It was awful. Do not recommend this product. If you try this product, let me know what you think. If you like this product, let me know what made you like this product. Maybe I should try with a different style. Just let me know down in the comment section below. And once again, I will see you in my next video.